Hello students, welcome to the channel. This video is the continuation of 6th standard science. The topic name is The Living World of Plants Part 1. Already we discussed plant parts and its function in the previous video. So in this video we want to learn habitat, types of habitat, plant adaptation and modifications. Birds live in nest, lion lives in den, fishes live underwater, and plants live on the land. For the above examples, each and every organism needs a place to live and reproduce. Such a dwelling place is called habitat. From the depth of the ocean to the top of the highest mountain, habitats are places where plants and animals live. A simple sentence for habitat is a place where a plant lives. Next we move to types of habitat. There are two types of habitat. Number one is aquatic habitat, second one is terrestrial habitat. So first we move to aquatic habitat. It can be either freshwater or salt water. Second one is terrestrial habitat. Terrestrial habitat or area can be dry or wet, hot or cold, on sloping or on level lands. See the classification of habitat. Habitat is classified into two types. Number one is aquatic habitat, second one is terrestrial habitat. The terrestrial habitat furtherly divided into desert, mountain, greenland habitat. And the aquatic habitat is furtherly classified into two types. They are marine water habitat and freshwater habitat. So next we move to aquatic habitat. Aquatic habitat include areas that are permanently covered by water and surrounding areas that are occasionally covered by water. There are two types, namely freshwater habitat and marine water habitat. So first we move to freshwater habitat. Rivers, lakes, ponds and pools are the freshwater habitats. Water hyacinth, water lily and lotus are seen in the freshwater habitat. In these plants, roots are very much reduced in size. Stem and leaves have air chambers that allow aquatic plants to float in water. Next we move to marine water habitat. From outer space, Earth looks like an awesome blue marble. That is because more than 70% of Earth's surface is covered by oceans. Oceans also support the growth of plants. Marine plants perform about 40% of all photosynthesis that occurs on the planet. Example, marine algae, sea grasses, marsh grass, phytoplanktons. Next we move to terrestrial habitat. Terrestrial habitats are the ones that are found on land like forests, grassland and desert. It also includes man-made habitats like farms, towns and cities. They can be as big as a continent or as small as an island. They make up about 28% of the entire world habitat. Terrestrial habitat is classified into three types. They are forest habitat, grassland habitat, desert habitat. So first we move to forest habitat. Forest is a large area dominated by trees. There are three types of forests. They are tropical forest, temperate forest and mountain forest. Annual rainfall ranges from 25 to 200 centimeter. Next we move to grassland habitat. Grassland is an area where the vegetation is dominated by grasses. Grasses ranges from short to tall. Example, savanna grassland. Next we move to desert habitat. A habitat without much water is called deserts. Deserts are the driest place on earth. They get less than 25 centimeter of rainfall annually. Desert covers at least 20% of the earth. The plants which grow in this habitat have thick leaves that store water and minerals. The plant like cactus store water in their stem and the leaves are reduced to spines. They have long roots that go very deep into the soil in search of water. Next we move to types of deserts. Number one is hot dry desert. Second one is semi-arid desert. Third one is coastal desert. And the last one is cold desert. Example, cactus, agave, aloe, bryophyllum. So next we move to plant adaptation and modifications. So what is mean by adaptation? Adaptations are special features in plants which help them to survive in the habitats they live over a long period. Let us see some adaptations like tendrils, twinners and thorns. These adaptations are seen in plants which live in terrestrial and desert habitats. So first we move to tendril climbers. Tendril is a twining climbing organ of some weak-stemmed plants like peas and bittergourd. Tendril coils around a support and helps the plant to climb. For example, sweet peas. For this sweet peas, leaflets are modified into tendrils. Second one is bittergourd. Axillary buds are modified into tendrils which help the plant to climb. Next we move to twiners. Some plants have weak stems. They cannot stand straight on their own. They must climb on any support to survive. For example, clitoria and jasmine. Third one is thorns. Leaves of some plants become woolly or partially modified into sharp pointed structures called thorns or spines for defensive purposes. For example, agave, the leaf apex and margins are modified into thorns. Next one is opuntia. The leaves are modified into spine. Third one is bougainvillea. The stem has sharp thorns. If you have any doubts and suggestions, give your feedbacks to the WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.